Today we're going to be making this delicious chocolate and peanut cheesecake parfait. It's diabetic friendly, low carb friendly, and sugar free. For the cheesecake filling, you're going to need heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, cream cheese, and some Sweet Plus. Some Sweet Plus is a functional sweetener that eliminates sugar cravings, curbs appetite, burns fat, and lowers blood sugar levels. Now let's get started. Next, you're going to need melted chocolate and chopped peanuts. Grab a glass jar and put your parfait together, starting with the peanuts, then the filling, and lastly the chocolate. Repeat until your glass is full. And that's it, a super easy and yummy sugar-free parfait.